Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make a simple Paal Payasam. First we need to cook 3/4 cup of washed broken rice with 2.5 cup of water in a cooker. Cook it for around 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile we need to boil 2 cup of milk. Now our rice is cooked well. Add boiled milk into it and stir it well. Add half cup of sugar and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and stir well. Now it gets boiled. Switch off the flame and add some roasted cashews for garnishing. Now we can serve it in a bowl. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe.